I'm starting off this DIY project with Dollar Tree bowls. This comes 4 in a pack and I'll be using 2. I'll be arranging the bowls in such a way that I'm going to have 4 on one line and another 4 on another line, and they will be attached together. I'll be using craft sticks to attach the bowls together, and I'll be using the strong adhesive and hot glue. I'm going to have them joined together again using wood from hangers. I'm going to be using this for another project. So these parts here is what I will not be needing for that project. So I'll be using those parts to link the bowls together. I'll be using the drill gun to pre-drill holes into the wood piece and the plastic plates to make it easy for me to attach all of them together with screws. When I was done with that, I went round with a strong adhesive. I also used hot glue to keep them in place while I continue working. Inside the bowls will be covered with Mod Podge, and then I'll be sprinkling Dollar Tree confetti inside. I have used up the bright gold that's on this side, and I have a lot of these. So I'm going to be using the color that's right here at the bottom that has a nice bright metallic look for this particular DIY project. When I was done, I flipped it over to shake off the excess confetti, and then I continued and repeated the same thing on the other bowls. I'm going to let this dry for a bit, and then I'll take it out and spray paint the inside silver. I did this way because I really want to have a little bit of the gold showing on the outside of the bowls, like this. I'll be attaching wood at both ends to make it easy for me to have this suspended on the ceiling. I also would like to use this as a wall decor. I like to add something by the sides to create a little bit of contrast. So I picked this up too from the Dollar Tree, and I'll be spray painting the inside gold. I'm going to turn to the back and pre-drill holes where I will be attaching another long piece of wood that will connect these pieces to the main design. Having this suspended is going to be super easy. All I did was to take a dowel, wrap it up with tape, and added cup hooks at both ends. For my lighting, I'll be using remote control push lights, and the list of all the items that I've used in this project is going to be down in the description box below. I installed a cup hook up in the ceiling. I later decided to add another cup hook just so that I can have the lighting suspended on straight lines. Another quick idea that's similar to the first one that I just finished is to take these balls, spray paint them gold on the inside, and I used 4 of these, and I'll be attaching 2 together to make one line, and then another 2 together to form the other line. I'll be attaching the pieces in such a way that it would end up looking just like the other project. The only difference are the bowls used for this particular one. I decided to mount this on the wall so you guys can see what it looks like. Now on the ceiling, using those same 2 wooden dowels, I suspended what I just made now to it. And this is what it looks like. Here's what the other DIY suspended on a ceiling looks like. Out of curiosity, I decided to spray paint the bowls in the middle gold. And this is what it looks like. This is pretty and simple too as well, and also looks beautiful on the wall. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.